Let me just show you guys.
Naka-discount.
Hey everyone, I have some exciting news for you today. And if you can see from my thumbnails or from the title, I have finally ordered. Ta-da! Actually, ta-da! It's the Insta360 Go Ultra Tiny Hands-Free 4K Cam. So, we are gonna do an unboxing today, okay? Oh my god, I am so happy. And I actually got the creator bundle. This is gonna be the best purchase for me for this quarter. Unboxing! You're gonna have the first look for this camera. Oops. Oh, let's see what we got here. So, first of all, we have the camera itself, the Insta360 Go Ultra camera, and then we have the quick release mount. We also have the pivot stand, and finally the mini 2-in-1 tripod. Finally. Okay, I have wow, look at that. Oh, okay. And let's see. Go. Did I miss something? Like something right here? Okay. There it is. There. Oh. And it has, I believe it has some stand. Oh, there you go. Okay, you guys, we're finally getting to the good part. The best part. Oh my god. Damn. We have, I think this is the standalone camera. Oh, so they have the charger right here, the strap where you can put it like that, and excited. Oh my god, look at that. And this is, I think, the clip-on. I don't know what this is for, but I feel like this is the clip-on. remove that one. How do you remove this one? Oh, right. Okay. Oh my god, I don't know how to remove this one. There you go. I believe this goes here. Oh, doesn't stand, but that's fine. Oh my god. Oh my god. I finally have it. So for the next clips, they're all gonna be taken from my new Insta360 Go Ultra camera. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. Explore with me how this works, how it looks like, and I don't know, I'm just so happy. See ya. Before I forget, let me just show you guys how awesome it is and how I am loving it so much. But I need to buy an SD card for this first, so I'm gonna go to the mall later today and buy one. Baho ka utain. So here's a POV shot using the standalone camera and the magnetic necklace strap. And in this video, I'm making brown sugar iced shaken latte. There's not much to say here really, so just watch the rest of the video. Hey everyone, so I am using the Insta360 camera, and today we are going out on a coffee run with my family, with my whole family, my three sisters, my two sisters, my mom, and two nephews. So sorry for the noises outside, but yeah, come with me as I work through and explore more about this camera, and yeah, that's it. See ya.
Sunday, isa na ka na ang Brazil tattoo.
Saka barista drink na grande.
Grande? Ice or not?
Ice.
Naka-discount yun sa
So far, I'm really liking the quality of this camera under different lightings. Hey guys, I'm finally home and I'm gonna end this vlog here. And I hope that I can consistently use my camera because I really love it so much. It's so low-key, it's good quality, it's very efficient to use, it's very easy to use, fast, and I look pretty, so that's a plus. And yeah, aside from the downside of this camera, which heats up very easily and very quickly also, but I don't mind because I don't really film very continuously. I just cut pieces of clips, and yeah, that's pretty much it for exploring this camera. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this, but I hope the quality still stays intact and doesn't affect while rendering or uploading anything. And thank you again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please comment down below. Like, subscribe if you haven't, and see you again in my next vlog. Bye bye.